Man, that's smarting. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. Hey guys, we're back. As you can tell, it is hot out here. We just got through working on this deck, but now I got to go in there and I got to cut some big old tree roots off this big old sycamore right here. So hang with us. We're going to get busy. You know, it's been a while since I've used this saw. I'm curious. Let's see how long it'll take it to start. First pull. There we go. And you can see the roots right there growing from that sycamore tree. See them over there by the pool? Now we're going to dig back down in here on these roots, and then we're going to take that Beaver chainsaw and we're going to cut these roots back as far as we can, and that'll stop them from growing towards that pool. I can tell there's quite a bit of roots growing under here. You can see that right there. This root turns goes that direction. So let's see. I'm gonna get this dirt away so I don't dull my chain on my chainsaw. That'll work just fine. Oh yeah. Now let's go ahead and dig this one out. Now for the big one here. All right, let's get going. And that's smarting. Oh, oh, it's about time for me to be done. That hurt. Hey friends, I love you. Huh. We'll talk to you later. Man, I'm getting too old for this. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget the tools of the trade. Number one tool of the trade is this right here. Hey, I love you. We'll talk to you later.